Hey there, everyone. Today, we'll show you how to eliminate mold. Mold can be a real nuisance and a health hazard, but don't worry, we've got some expert tips backed by solid research to help you get rid of it. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's show you how to eliminate mold. Get rid of it! Step 1. Protect yourself. First things first, safety is paramount. Mold can release spores that are harmful to your health. So, make sure you're wearing gloves, a mask, and goggles. This will protect your skin, lungs, and eyes from irritation and potential allergic reactions. Step 2. Contain the area. You want to prevent mold spores from spreading to other parts of your home. To do this, cover the affected area with plastic sheeting and tape it down securely. This will contain the spores and make cleanup easier. Step 3. Remove excess moisture. Mold thrives in damp environments. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, the key to controlling mold is to control moisture. Use a dehumidifier or fans to dry out the area completely. It might take a few hours, but it's crucial to ensure the area is dry before you start cleaning. Step 4. Clean the moldy surface. Now it's time to tackle the mold itself. Start by scrubbing the affected area with dish soap and water using a scrub brush. This will remove the surface mold. If you're dealing with a larger infestation, you might need a commercial mold remover or a bleach solution. Mix 1 cup of bleach in a gallon of water and apply it to the moldy surface. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub and rinse thoroughly. Step 5. Use natural remedies. If you prefer natural solutions, white vinegar and baking soda are great alternatives. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, suggests using vinegar as it can kill about 82% of mold species. Spray undiluted vinegar directly on the mold and let it sit for an hour. Afterward, wipe the area clean with water. For extra cleaning power, you can sprinkle baking soda on the area after applying vinegar, scrub it in, and then rinse. Step 6. Prevent future mold growth. Prevention is key to keeping mold away. Make sure the area is well ventilated. Use exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens, and open windows when possible. Keep indoor humidity levels below 60% using a dehumidifier if needed. Regularly clean and dry areas prone to moisture. Step 7. Final cleanup. Once you've eliminated the mold, it's time for final cleanup. Use a HEPA vacuum cleaner to capture any remaining mold spores. Dispose of the vacuum bag or clean the canister thoroughly to prevent any spores from escaping back into your home. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to eliminate mold from your home. Remember, tackling mold can be a bit challenging, but with these steps, you'll be able to handle it effectively. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with anyone who might need it, and leave your questions or tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay mold-free.